Today, I'll be showing you how to remove and replace the oil drain plug gasket on a 2014 V6 Mustang. While under my car to begin changing the oil, I noticed a dark film surrounding the drain plug. Over time, the rubber gasket on the plug can become stiff and overly compressed, losing its ability to provide a tight seal against the oil pan. To stop the leak, I'll be installing a new gasket onto the drain plug. Doing this will solve the problem unless you have a more serious situation like worn threads or a cracked pan. Remove the gasket by carefully using a flathead screwdriver or pick to pry it from the threads and gradually slide it off the shaft of your drain plug. With the old gasket removed, you can see how it's been flattened down compared to the replacement. Grab the gasket and slide it over the threads, firmly pressing it into the indented area on the back of the plug. Before installing your new rubber gasket, make sure the drain plug's base is clean and free of debris. With the new gasket in place, we can now return the drain plug to the oil pan. When reinstalling the drain plug, it's important to follow the manufacturer's torque specs, in this case being 19 foot-pounds. Over-tightening can cause the gasket to warp, resulting in a poor seal. If you'd like to learn more about the 5th generation Mustang, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.